What if I tell you that you learned energy mass equivalence in a really wrong way? Then how will it sound? Well, of course, it is going to sound really shocking and mind-blowing, but that's the reality. So today we are going to make all the conclusions from the original paper of Sir Albert Einstein, which is translated in English, right? Of course. So let's start with the video. Hello everyone, this is Aditya. Please do like, share, subscribe my channel and please support this video. Now let's start with this amazing video. So before starting this video, I would request you all to forget all the concepts which you know about E is equal to mc square and just listen to me for just 3-4 minutes, right? So let's understand what is meant by E is equal to mc square. And of course, there are many videos on YouTube and there are very few videos which give exact idea about E is equal to mc square, because none of them take reference from the original paper of Sir Albert Einstein, right? That is why I preferred referring it from original paper of Sir Albert Einstein, so that there is no mistake in this video, right? So let's assume that you have a body of mass capital M, right? And it emits some of energy in form of radiation, and suppose the magnitude of that energy was capital L, right? So according to Sir Albert Einstein, that body will lose some of its mass and that mass will get converted to that radiation, and the magnitude of the mass diminished is equal to capital L, that is the energy of that radiation or energy, divided by c square. So basically it is accounting for the mass defect of that body, right? And this is exactly what we calculate in radioactivity, correct? Why? Because in that also we calculate the mass defect, and that mass defect is accounting for the energy, right? Now you understood or not that why we get mass defect, right? That is the case. So radioactivity is one of the best way to understand E is equal to mc square. And suppose you have a antimatter. If you don't know, I will make a video on it, but basically antimatter is exactly opposite of matter, right? Okay, suppose if electron has a charge, negative charge, then its antimatter, it is called positron, so it will have a positive charge, right? And something like that, but we are not going to discuss it right now. We will discuss it in some other video, but you should have a basic idea of antimatter. So when you bring them in contact, then what happens is that they annihilate. So in this case, their mass is completely converted to energy, and of course there is formation of two photons in this case. Why? To conserve linear momentum. If one photon will form, then the momentum won't be conserved, which is the linear momentum, right? So that is why it is compulsory to form two photons, right? Okay, so this is the basic and the actual idea of E is equal to mc square, how Einstein interpreted his own theory. I don't know that why many people interpret it so differently from Sir Albert Einstein, but this is what exactly what Sir Albert Einstein said. And of course, I'm not saying it like that. I have the original paper of Sir Albert Einstein, which is translated in English version, right? So whatever is written in that, I'm just telling that. Okay, that is the basic idea, right? So so that you enjoyed this video, you learned something new from this video, then please do like, share, subscribe my channel, and please support this video. Bye bye, take care.